All right, wheel number 3 on the Porsche. We got curb rash here, around the bottom, and up to here. None of it's super deep, so I'm just going to sand all the damage out with the 320 grit. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will get this wheel done. All right, then I'll take the 1500 grit scuff pad, clean up everywhere I just sanded. Oops. All of these products are linked in the description below. Take a look at those if you're interested in repairing rims. There's also going to be a kit coming out shortly that'll be a DIY repair kit for minor to moderate curb rash on your wheel. Repair at home kit. Those will be linked in the description as well whenever they're ready. All right, let's get the base coat on. And go over that with the clear. And then blend our edges in with the clear coat blender.